This is my new wallet. This is my old wallet. Let me tell you why this is my new favorite wallet. So I've had this wallet for quite some time now. I've put it through the ringer. I've dropped it. I've lost it. This wallet's been around the block. Couple reasons why I really like this wallet. One, it's durable. It's made out of leather. It feels really good in the hand. It even smells pretty good. It's got 3 pouches. You got 1, 2, and a third for cash. So with a wallet so compact, so small, fits only the essential cards that I need and a bit of cash, why would I want to get a new wallet? Why wouldn't I just keep what I already have, what's been working? This is the biggest reason why I got a new wallet. So my cards just fall out of the damn thing. I've been in the car a million different times trying to grab my wallet out of my back pocket, and I end up dropping it, and all of my cards fall down into the tiny little crack in the bottom of the seat. It's a nightmare. That has happened to me more times than I would love to share with you guys. I'm quite frankly just fed up with having to deal with... Now it doesn't want to do it. Really, I literally just... So I'm done being frustrated with this wallet. So I'm moving on. So I was watching YouTube one day, and I came across a Becky and Chris video, and Becky was talking about her tech organizer, and I thought it looked pretty damn aesthetic. So I went to Alpaka's website. They have wallets. The zip pouch in this epic forest green color. So if you guys go to alpakagear.com, you can go and check out some of their pouches. They have unbelievable selection, amazing colors, all sorts of goodies on there. So not only do I love this wallet because it's a zip pouch, you have one here on the front and you have one here on top. It works really nice. I can fit anywhere from 4 to 12 cards in this thing. I do in fact have an SD card in here because I always forget them. I also love that it's 100% carbon neutral fabric, looking out for the environment there. Good on ya. Love the name too, Alpaka. I mean, I love alpacas, they're adorable. This also has RFID blocking material, which is so good. Protect your cards, protect your identity, make sure no one's gonna steal your stuff. Love that. Super small, super sleek. It's not a whole lot bigger than my other wallet. Here's a little size comparison. Also love that it's weatherproof. I don't think my cards are gonna be safe if I drop this in the pool. But if I grab this, I drop it in the pool quick and I grab it out, I think I'll be okay. Also love the interior of this little pouch. I absolutely love that orange. It looks so good with this green. So I thought it was time to upgrade. I found this. It's been working for me perfectly so far. I can still fit it in the back pocket, no problem. So the only thing that's a tiny bit annoying is the loops. They make a lot of noise. I would definitely love to look into getting a tech organizer as well, just a little EDC pouch, if you will. I've been getting into EDC a lot recently, and I'm fascinated with it. And it's really cool to have something like this in my arsenal. Worst case scenario is dropping your cards or, you know, important personal information. You know, walking through the city, hustle bustle, bump somebody, drop your wallet. Cards go everywhere, money goes everywhere, wind takes the money, money goes down the street, stranger picks up the money, runs away, now you're broke. That would suck. That ain't gonna happen with this. That's gonna wrap it up for today. I have reached my peak creativity output level. I'm tired, I need a coffee, I need a rest, I'm gonna go edit and donate this bad boy because I don't need it anymore because I have this beautiful bad boy. See you guys in the next one.